In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effect styles in Figma. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and log into your account. Once you're on your Figma dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Click on the project where you want to add an effect style. This will open up the Figma editor and load your design file. Inside the editor, choose any object you want to style. This could be a frame, a button, an image, a shape, or even a text layer. Click once on that object so it's clearly selected. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Properties panel, which shows all the settings for the object you've selected. In that panel, look for the section labeled Effects. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. To add a new effect, click the small plus icon to the right of the effects label. When you click this, a small pop-up will appear near the panel. At the top of that pop-up, there's a drop-down menu. Click this drop-down and you'll see a list of available effects, such as inner shadow, drop shadow, layer blur, background blur, noise, texture, and glass. You can experiment with any of these, but for this walkthrough, let's choose texture as an example. Once you select texture, Figma will apply a default texture effect to your object, and you'll see a few controls you can adjust. Focus on the value labeled size. This controls how large or fine the texture appears. Drag the slider or type in a value to make the texture more subtle or more pronounced, depending on the look you're going for. Next, adjust the radius value. This will soften or sharpen the edges of the texture. A higher radius usually makes the effect look smoother and more diffused, while a lower radius keeps it more defined. You'll also notice a checkbox labeled Clip to Shape. If you enable this, the effect will be confined strictly within the boundaries of your object. This is useful when you want a clean, contained look without the texture spilling out beyond the shape. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your design and see how these changes affect the overall look. Tweak the size, radius, and clipping until the effect feels right for your project. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an effect style in Figma.